Good day, kings and queens. My name is Erica, and I'm back in the craft room with another Glam DIY. This one you can use in your home. It's actually an upcycle. You can give it as a gift or use for your event. So I got this from Family Dollar. I purchased these at Family Dollar. They're normally $7, but I got them on sale for $3. I don't know if they're still $3, but even for $7, this is absolutely beautiful. So what we're going to do is upcycle the back. So I'm going to make the back totally different. So you'll have two decor pieces in one. Okay. I already took everything off of this front part for you. This you can pick up at the Dollar Tree. This is an eraser. This is going to help you erase all of that glue off of it. It's only $1.25. It saves you so much time. Okay, you can also pick up the scraper at the Dollar Tree as well to get off the stickers. Some of them came off easily, some of them didn't. And you want to make sure you use some acetone to go over the whole thing, just so the paint can adhere. Okay, let's jump right into it. The next step, we're going to use this. I got a Dollar Tree as well, and this is the metallic silver paint. And I also picked up all of these brushes at the Dollar Tree as well. Completely dry half an hour later. I didn't show you all, but when you do the sides, make sure you paint it while it's laying down. That way, see, it doesn't get on the surface and the decor of your other side. Just a little tip for you. Let's jump right on back into this and put on a second coat. Kings and queens, I'm showing you here all of these items you could pick up at the Dollar Tree. That diamond wrap as well. When I pointed to it, I'm showing you that you're going to go in 4 loops down. Well, you'll see that in a second. I'm just cutting it to size right here. And it's going to be 2 strips each. Okay. Now, the items that I will use in here that are not from the Dollar Tree, I'll give you alternatives just to keep it budget friendly. And I'll also share with you in this video what you definitely want to pick up opposed to the Dollar Tree items, just to make it look a little more polished. But I'll show you that shortly. Now, the next step, I'm taking my lighter and burning the edges. That's just to clean up all the frayaways. I did a few of them off camera, but that's going to make it where you won't see all the little straggly ends. It's an extra step, but if you want it to look more polished, just take a few seconds to do that step as well. Now, I have Gorilla Glue on hand and I'm using up my stash. But to keep this budget friendly, Dollar Tree does have an adhesive and a permanent adhesive. But for this, you want to use hot glue and you want to use a permanent adhesive. Now, when I said the 4th step down, what I mean is, I'll be pointing to it shortly, right there. You want to put the hot glue 4 notches down. You don't want to put it on the 1st notch because then you'll see too much of that hot glue bleeding through. I've done several projects where that just doesn't look pretty. And you don't want to burn yourself as well. So just 4 notches down, just a little bit. That's going to hold your item in place while you put your permanent adhesive, so it won't be moving around on you. And you can finish your project. Okay. You can also pick up that protector at the Dollar Tree as well, just to keep you from burning yourself. This is a full tutorial, so make sure you all check out some of my shorts videos if you want a short, quick fix on some of this stuff, and also some things I do on shorts as well. But yeah, let's jump right back into this. Go to the next step, I want to give you a tip. If you can see where I put that hot glue, you can see that red glitter right there from the red glue stick. Now, I used up all of my red glitter on the piece I sold. This is just for my home, so I'm just using up my stash. But if I was going to sell this piece, I would suggest that you get the silver glitter, so when that hot glue bleed through, it just looks like part of the decor. If you can't find a silver glitter stick, just get the clear. They sell them both at the Dollar Tree as well. Okay. Now for this next part, you have different size gems. We're going to use a medium size gem. You could use small, medium, or large. The reason I'm going to tell you guys to use the medium one is because the medium one looks about the same size as the strip here. Now, to keep it budget friendly, you can use the bigger ones that Dollar Tree carry. It just look a little more polished with the medium one. These are the bigger ones that Dollar Tree carry. The medium one just, it looked like it go together a little bit more. Okay. Turned out, kings and queens. I just put a couple at the bottom just to pull it in together, and I left the top and the sides a little pink. That way you can still have both sides. And upcycle 2 pieces, 2 different looks, 1 decor. Give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and tap the notification bell twice. That way you will know when I upload new videos. Have a beautiful day and a great evening, kings and queens. Remember, love is the main key. Keep on crafting, and this channel is called A Rising Higher Erica.